Hello everyone, we're going to continue on with building out our employee feedback form. If you haven't seen my previous videos, please go check them out, but essentially if you're not at this point yet, you just need to go ahead and create a title for your form, a description for your form, a shell for your form, and then what you want the user to do with the form once they're done with it. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add in our first field type. So we're going to go ahead and head over here to the developer tab on our ribbon. If you don't know how to enable this, you just have to right click, come over here to customize the ribbon, and you may have to enable the developer tab if it's not already enabled for you. But once you have it enabled and we have the tab selected, let's come over here to design mode. It's going to make it a little bit easier while we're adding in these different field types to our form. And the first one that we're going to add is going to be a plain text field. There is also a rich text field, which gives the user a little bit more options where they could do things like making their text bold, things like that. But we don't need to do that now, so we're just going to go ahead and add in a plain text field. So now that we have our cursor placed here, let's go ahead and select this plain text content control, and you can see it's now there. And we're also going to add it here for areas for improvement. And go ahead and select that again. All right, let's go ahead and turn off design mode. And this is what it's going to look like for the user once they open it up. So they can come in here and they can start filling it out. So I'll just put Michael C, areas for improvement. You need a lot of work. All right, so in the next video, we're going to go ahead and continue on with the different field types.